I'm Anastasia, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today I have something super exciting to share with you. I'm giving away a sewing machine! So cool! I've partnered with Husqvarna Viking, and we are giving away a Jade 20 sewing machine. This is our holiday gift to you for being so amazing and supportive throughout the year. Entering to win this sewing machine is so easy. All you need to do is add Husqvarna Viking and Sewing Anastasia on Instagram, and then you need to make a post about why you love sewing, what inspires you to sew. I would love to read these, and make sure you hashtag it SewInspired2021 and tag 2 your friends so that way they know why you love to sew too. And that is it, and then you're automatically entered in the giveaway, and we'll be choosing a winner on December 20th. And make sure this is a post in your feed, not in your stories. If I was writing this post, I would say music and fashion history inspire me to sew and create. I love music, and when I was a teenager, I was obsessed with the Beatles, and I just had to have a pair of bell bottoms. So I sewed and created a pair. I love sewing the bell bottoms so much that inspired me to start looking into other periods of fashion history. And then I really got into the Victorian clothing and the Baroque clothing, the Rococo, and I just loved it all so much that it just fueled my love for sewing and fashion, and well, the rest is history. And the number one thing I'm inspired by right now is you guys. I love seeing your projects. I love helping you with your projects. I love the feedback on my projects. I just love the process of creating and sewing with you guys. It's just such a wonderful community, and I'm so thankful for all of your support with Sewing Anastasia. Let's take a look at the J20 so you know what you're gonna get when you win. The front of this machine is so sleek and beautiful. I love it. So in the back, you're gonna push this piece out, which is going to give you a little holder here for your tools. But now we have the sewing machine. And if we lift up the front panel on it, you're going to be able to see all of the stitches. So it comes with all of these amazing stitches, decorative stitches, buttonholes, quilting stitches, everything you are going to need to create all the tutorials that I put out all the time. So this machine is digital. You're gonna adjust your stitch length and your width with the digital buttons here. You can also flip your stitch, which is awesome. And then it has a few quick stitch selection buttons on the front as well, which is really great. You're also gonna have your needle up down button. You're gonna have your stop and your fix. So that means that you can just go ahead and keep on sewing those decorative stitches without using the foot pedal. And then if we go down here, you can adjust your speed, and you can also backstitch right here. This is an awesome sewing machine, and I can't wait for one of you to get it. Entering to win is so easy. All you need to do is add Husqvarna Viking and Sewing Anastasia on Instagram, and then you need to make an awesome post about what inspires you to sew, and make sure you use that hashtag SewInspired2021 so I can find your post. And make sure you tag 2 friends so that way you can share the love of sewing as well. And that's it. That's all you have to do. It is so easy to enter and win this beautiful sewing machine. I cannot wait to read your entries and see what inspires you to sew. Happy holidays, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!